Hello and welcome to the last and final video for this E-Type project. Finger crossed. Right, I don't have a lathe in my workshop just yet. I'm willing to have one soon. But meanwhile, I'm going to use my drill to kind of like turn one of these into one of these. Kind of like smoothing it down and make sure it's all nice and ready to paint, and then cut it. If you haven't guessed just yet, these are the caps for the wheels. This is the graphics lasered in. Now I want you to take these off the screws. Well done you. I'm gonna take these. These are the stickers that we laser cut with Jaguar on them to stick onto these caps. Yeah? And then I'm gonna ask you to put it onto the car wheel. How does it look, Salma?
Let me see.
The car, so far.
Ooh.
Good. Oh, I was thinking for awesome or excellent. There you go. Look at this.
Yeah.
Can you pop it onto the wheel? Push it in like Lego.
Legos usually doesn't go sideways, by the way. Sometimes it does. The thing usually it doesn't.
Okay, let's do the rest of them. As you can see, they needed a final adjustment to fit in. Now creating the Jag logo. Okay, we're trying to reroute or run the cables from the front to connect the LEDs to the back ones and have the switch somewhere. I haven't decided for it just yet. So for that to happen, we need to get rid of this hub here. So I'm drilling right there, going all the way to through there. Alright, testing the button before we commit to it. Okay, we linked all the wiring together, 6 LEDs in total, with this one button. That's it. I think it's showtime.